Hello everyone. In today class we will discuss about the chi-square test. What is chi-square test? Basically, whenever we will toss a coin, जब हम किसी coin को toss करते हैं और सपोज कीजिए हमने ये coin को 10 बार toss किया और हमें चाहे कि हमारा 5 बार हमें head मिले और 5 बार हमें tail मिले, it is not possible. ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि 7 बार हेड आए 3 बार टेल आए या 8 बार टेल आए 2 बार हेड आए. इट इज इट इज दिस इसको हम ऐसे कह सकते हैं कि एक होगी हमारी जो चीज़ हम चाहते हैं एक्सपेक्टेड और एक होगी हमारी एक्सपेरिमेंट. ओके, तो chi-square टेस्ट क्या है? OI is a set of observed or experimental frequency, and EI is the corresponding set of expected theoretical uh, or hypothetical frequency. Then chi-square is defined as summation I is equal to 1 to n OI minus EI का whole square over EI, where the sum of observed frequency and expected frequency are equal, and that is total frequency, and degree of freedom is n minus 1. In experiment on p-breeding, the following frequency of seeds were obtained. क्वेश्चन देखते हैं, यही फॉर्मूला है हमारा. In an experiment on pea breeding, the following frequency of seeds were obtained: round and yellow, wrinkled and yellow, round and green, wrinkled and green. Round and yellow है 315, wrinkled and yellow है 101, round and green है 108, and wrinkled and green है 32. On total है 556. The theory predicts that the frequency should be in the proportion 9:3:3:1. Examine the correspondence between the theory and experiment. हमें थ्योरी और एक्सपेरिमेंट के बीच एग्जामिन करना है. अब देखिए, सबसे पहले फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल सेट एन हाइपोथेसिस, जैसा जो हमने टी टेस्ट और एफ टेस्ट में भी किया था, जिसको हम एच नॉट से डिपेंड करते हैं. दैट मीन द एक्सपेरिमेंटल रिजल्ट सपोर्ट द थ्योरी. दैट मीन देयर इज नो सिग्निफिकेंट डिफरेंस बिटवीन द ऑब्जर्व एंड थ्योरेटिकल फ्रीक्वेंसी. अंडर एच नॉट, under the null hypothesis H naught, the theoretical frequency can be calculated. EI, this is 312.75, E1, E2 is 104.25, E3 is 104.25, and E4 is 34.5. Now to calculate the value of chi-square, first we have OI, observed frequency, and second is expected frequency. Corresponding to each observed frequency, we have an expected frequency, and we will calculate OI minus EI का whole square over AAI, and chi-square is nothing but summation OI minus EI का whole square over EI, and that is 0.470024. The tabulated value of chi-square at 5% level of significance, टोटल कितना है? n 4 है, तो डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम कितनी होगी? n-1, 3 डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम. देखिए 5% लेवल ऑफ सिग्निफिकेंस पर 3 डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम के लिए chi-square की जो वैल्यू होगी वो 7.815, और जो हमारी chi-square की जो टेबुलेटेड वैल्यू है वो 0.470024. So what is the conclusion? Since the tabulated value of the chi-square is less than that of the tabulated value, therefore null hypothesis accepted, and there is therefore experimental results support the theory. Now the next problem, we will move to the next problem. Next problem is a die is thrown 276 times, and the result of the throw are given below. Number appeared on the die 1 2 3 4 5 6, and frequency 40 32 29 59 57 59. Test whether the die is biased or not. First of all, we will set a null hypothesis H naught, that means die is unbiased. Under this hypothesis H naught, the expected frequency for each digit is 276 by 6, that is 46. Now to find the value of chi-square, we have OI and DI. In each case, the expected frequency is 46 and observed frequency is 40, 32, 29, 59, 57, and 59. We will find OI minus EI का whole square, and chi-square is summation OI minus EI का whole square over EI. This is 21.30. The tabulated value of chi-square at 5% level of significance for 6 minus 1 is equal to 5 degree of freedom is 11.09. Since the calculated value of chi-square, this is 21.30, this is greater than 11.09 or 07, whatever be the tabulated value. Therefore, H naught is rejected. That means the die is not unbiased, or we say die is biased. The next problem is the theory predicts the proportion of beings in the four groups G1, G2, G3, and G4 should be in the ratio 9 ratio 3 ratio 3 ratio 1. In an experiment with 1600 beings, the number in the four groups were 882, 313, 287, and 118. Does the experimental results support the theory? First of all, we will set an hypothesis H naught, that is, the experimental results support the theory, and there is no significant difference between the observed and theoretical frequency. Under the null hypothesis, the theoretical frequency can be calculated. E of G1 is 900, and G2 expected frequency of G2 is 300, expected frequency of G3 is 300, and expected frequency of G4 is 100. Now the calculated value of chi-square is 882, 313, 287, and 118. And expected frequency, object frequency is this, and expected frequency 900, 300, 300, and 100. Now we will calculate OI minus EI ka whole square over EI and chi square, and the value of the calculated value of chi square is 4.7266. Tabular value of chi square at 5% level of significance, 5% level of significance और टोटल वेरिएबल कितने थे, चार थे हमारे जो टोटल ग्रुप थे, तो डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम कितनी होगी, 3. तो 3 डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम इज 7.815. Now we will move to the conclusions. The calculated value of chi-square is less than that of the tabulated value, hence H naught is accepted. That means experimental results support the theory. Thank you.